Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house and welcome back to the channel. Today, look at this, I got in the house a Brian Brown Knives Yeager. This is the Knifejoy exclusive here with me for a quick review, but hey, you know what? Don't forget to like the video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying like this kind of stuff that I'm bringing to you right over here. Let's quickly check it out because this is an interesting one. It has 3-inch long for the cutting edge. It has like a 4.5 almost inches long handle, and from the tip to the toe, this guy is going to be 7.5 inches in length, so not a big knife, like a like average size. It is a titanium frame lock. It is the Knifejoy Yeager M exclusive with the tumbled M390 steel blade. It has a black DLC coated titanium frame. It has some pretty cool black micarta going on. Even if I'm not really a fan of micarta, I think the black micarta goes really well with the DLC titanium. It has a couple of colors which are actually in mokutai. Looking good. I like the contrast here. It's a nice choice of colors and materials. I think it gives a nice pop of color. This color onto this sea of blackness. The blade is interesting. Like the grind, guys. This is like something ridiculously thin behind the edge. Very, very cool for like a relatively thick stock blade. Very, very interesting. Super slashy. This thing is like scary. This tip is fine. Look at that. If it focus, look at this. That's pretty cool, guys. I have to admit, it is a flipper, so flipper tab, nice and subdued. It's not like that obtrusive. You have some jimping going on, which is pretty cool for the light switch operation. For the push button, yeah, it's not gonna happen. This is a light switch knife deployment, probably only. I mean, with the flipper tab, you can of course do a thumb flick and a spidey flick all day long, but mainly, yeah, the flipper probably is gonna be your preferred method of deployment, and that's gonna go with the light switch. Nice chamfering going on. There is some internal skeletonization to reduce the weight, which we actually can quickly check right now and see where we're at. Titanium pocket clip, tip-up carry only, screwed in from the outside. You got 4.37 ounces for the weight of this guy in the pocket. Titanium back spacer. It's nice, guys. Blade is a little bit off center now that I'm checking. Maybe I need just to, yeah, there's a little bit of play, so probably I just need to tighten that up. Oh yeah, definitely. But I mean, the action is probably needs some breaking in period, because you need a wiggle to get the blade closed. And the sound is nice, as well as the ergos. Nice finger choil. But hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned.